Start. These are two connected references under section 66 of the Indian Income Tax Act 1922 bracket hereafter referred to as the Act bracket close stop. Ashish Chand and Ravi Chand are two partners of a registered firm, comma, Messrs. Ashish Chand, Ravi Chand. Stop. The Income Tax Office, Sir Kanpur, comma, passed two separate assessment orders against Ashish Chand and Ravi Chand on their shares of income from the firm. Stop. These assessment orders were confirmed in appeal by the Appellate Assistant Commissioner and the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, comma, Allahabad. Stop. The two assessees applied to the tribunal under section 66 of the Act for reference to the court on the ground that a partner of a firm could not be assessed to income tax without prior assessment of the firm itself. Stop. In each case, the tribunal has referred the following question of law to this court. Next para. Inverted comma, whether it was legal to assess the applicant's share income from the firm, comma, Messrs. Ashish Chand, Ravi Chand, comma, prior to raising a separate assessment on the firm. Question mark, inverted comma, close, para. This question has been considered by different high courts. Stop. In R.S. Bhullar versus Commissioner of Income Tax, comma, bracket 1958 bracket close 27 ITR 658, comma, it was held by the Bombay High Court that the assessment of a partner of an unregistered firm on his share of the profits in the firm is not illegal on the ground that the unregistered firm of which he is a partner has not been first assessed to tax. Para. Similarly, comma, in Ganesh Raj Mohan Ram versus Commissioner of Income Tax, comma, bracket 1960 bracket close 46 ITR 766, comma, it was held by this court that in the assessment of a partner of an unregistered firm as an individual, the share of the partner in the income of the firm may be determined and added to the income of the partner without making a separate assessment on the firm itself. Stop para. In Commissioner of Income Tax versus Bihari Lal Jhawar and Purna Ginning and Pressing Factory, comma, 1964 bracket close 60 ITR 95 bracket SC close, it was held by the Supreme Court that partners of an unregistered firm might be assessed individually or they might be assessed collectively in the status of an unregistered firm. Stop. The income tax officer could not, however, seek to assess the one income twice dash once in the hands of the partners and again in the hands of the unregistered firm. Para. In Meera Prasad Agarwal versus Income Tax Officer, comma, B. Ward, comma, Mathura, comma, 1957 bracket close 37 ITR 107, comma, it was held by this court that once the income of an association was charged to income tax in the hands of the members individually and the assessment of the members remained valid, comma, there could be no fresh assessment of the income in the hands of the association. Stop para. Mr. K.T. Pachori, comma, appearing for the assessee, comma, relied upon a decision of the Supreme Court in T.L. Khurana versus Commissioner of Income Tax, comma, bracket 1966 close 67 ITR 106 bracket SC close stop. In that case, it was held that primarily the return of income would be made by an association, comma, where the association earned the income, comma, and the income tax officer could also call upon the association to submit a return of its income, comma, and would ordinarily proceed to assess tax on the return so made. Stop.